Hey, hi guys. Today I am going to deal about the how to use the VS Code and Google Colab for Python. So quickly start my sharing my screen and then I can tell you how to utilize them. So for the particularly for Python, okay. So let's say just minimizing this. Yeah. So let us see the uh, Google Colab. Let's first select the any one of the email. Okay. So I'm selecting this and you can just type the collab here or you can type the Google Colab. See, it is giving the recommendation. I'm just putting the enter. Just you can click on this first link. See here on the top right, you can check this sign in option. Right? If you click on this, it will check for the sign into the email, whatever the email already you signed in. So just click on here and you can give the password also here. So let's try the another way and let me type the, let's say I'm taking the verification to my, so yes, I got the OTP here. That's one more email verification. So this is more secure. Right? So this is only for one time. We just need to do, no need to for every time. So if you log in for one single time, that's very easy for you guys to utilize this for every time. You can just, I will show you that one also. That's it. I'm clicking on the continue. Then now it was showing that security checkup. Just I will type the Google Colab one more time. Just click on here. It will directly opens and you can take the new notebook and my previous notebooks also visible here. It is completely connected with your internet. So that's the reason while using this Google Colab, you just need the very speed internet. That's very important. And you can give the title also here. .ipynb need to keep it. Let's say I'm just learning the basics. Enter and let's say I'm taking the A is equal to some number and the B is equal to some other number. And just I'm putting the print A plus B. If you run this shift enter or you can just click on here, it will run. And this is the part of the code. So if you click on here, it will open the new code cells. If you click on here, the text, you can put the headings. Okay, you can put the headings of the anything. Okay. So this is the way you can use the Google Colab for your projects and while learning also. So the same thing I can do the with VS Code also. So let me take the VS Code here. So this is the VS Code. It is opening. So my previous projects will open. So for that, what I am doing is I will take the generally it opens like this. This is the way. So first go to here, the file option and click on the open folder and see it was selecting already something users. So in this folder, what you can do is you can create a new folder. You can click on the any one space, give the right click here and take this, create a new folder basically. You can create the new folder. So click on the new Oh, what's happening? Assisting what's the start. Yeah, let me open one more time. Yeah, just go and I'm taking this, open the new one. It is opening like this. And if you click on here on the top right, the file, and open the folder, and this space, you can give any at one location, give the right click and click on the new and take the folder, give the name. Yes, you just need to learn the Python. You can give the Python and yes, just put the enter and select the same folder here. It will directly open here. Okay, so this is one way of doing, and there are the different ways of creating these folders. Yes, I trust these authors. And while learning, so see here, it's a new file, it's a new folder inside the folder you can create. Okay. So basically I'm creating the file here. Let's say I want to learn the basics of the Python and you just need to put the dot here. Dot and IPYNB is the one type of format Python code you can run. The similar fashion how the see here how the code cells will be visible here in the Google Colab. The same fashion you can see the different code cells. See if I click on this code part, you can see the code cells. If I click on the markdown, you can give the headings. You can give the headings here. Okay, and you can run the same some other program is equal to some and the b equals to some other thing. B is equal to some other number and the print just a plus b, right, plus b. Is it directly run? Is it directly run? So sometimes what happen is here the Python version will not be shown directly. So that time here select a kernel option will shown to you. Okay, that time you can select that option. Based on that, you can take that Python, whatever the Python you want. Then you can run this code, then it will run and the output will be printed here. So this is the way you can create the files inside the folder. So if you directly create the files, there is no proper way of working with that. So first you can just need to create the folder, then you can use these files. You can create the any number of files. Okay, let's say I want to create the some other thing, basics dot py. This is another way of creating the Python file. So this is completely in a space. In this space, you can write the code and you can run it. So IPNB is it will give you the, see some error is coming, to run the codes, right? But here, while learning, you can see the output here directly. That's very easy to understand. So while learning, you can use this format dot .ipynb. So in the real time, use the dot .py. So people are struggling with understanding the how to use the Python code and the VS Code and as well as the um, Google Colab. That's the reason I have bring up with this simple video. So if you have any queries, you can ask me and share with this video with your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.